Hey YouTube, if you have an issue like that on iPad where the antenna is broken off, instead of replacing antenna, you can actually fix this. I'm gonna show you real quick under my microscope. Okay, so we're gonna remove this part with the screws first. The underside of it is metal, as you can see. So all we need to do is just to make contacts back to the frame. So this is how we're gonna do it. So I'll put my X-Acto knife underneath of this antenna, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scrape the coating from the edge to make a contact with the metal and the frame. Okay, sometimes you have to fight it. So just remove the coating along the edge, like this. I think that might be enough. Let me see a little bit more here. Okay, that should be good. And then align it at the edge here and screw that metal piece on to make a contact. Actually, this one has a little bit. I'm not gonna touch this. I'm just gonna reapply this screw, put it under for this part. Okay, let me take care of this real quick first. Okay, second screw. Okay, so make it nice and tight, and this should take care of it. See, it's not moving, so it's making contact with the frame and everything looks great. So this is, I'm just going to do the same way, scrape maybe a little bit, but this is the way to fix it without replacing it. It works perfectly fine. Thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button to help me grow my channel. Thanks, bye.